Good, good afternoon to examiner and fellow candidates. Today, I am Serena Saka. I am candidates A. Today, our task given is the Nature Society of University is organizing a Nature Week. There is the best activity for the weeks that have been decided. In my opinion, organized a tree planting activity was the best activities for the weeks because planting tree is the one of the main reasons that make this planet habitable. There are the source of oxygen which is essential for survival of all living things being on the earth. Without this, there is no possibility of life. Firstly, organized a tree planting activity was the best activity for the weeks because there is the only a source of oxygen that take up the carbon dioxide from atmosphere and release oxygen. Planting more tree can help in reducing the level of air pollution as they absorb pollution gases and filter out the particulate. It also maintains the temperature of an area at a lower level than an area that does not have tree. There are also the habitats for birds and many other animals. So it will help us to feel wine. Tree also a source of fruits, and this will give food to humans and all living things. Secondly, organized a tree planting activity was the best activity for the weeks because plant tree in area around of society can be used as a park for children and adults. And they will provide a space for recreational activity like picnic and morning walk. And presence of tree also make activity like hiking and trekking more fun for people who are interested in adventures. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Candidate A. Good afternoon to the examiners and my fellow candidates. My name is Stephanie Valerie Laing. Today, I would like to talk about the best activity for the week of Nature Week is organize a trip to national park. The reason why I choose trip to national park is we can gain more experience of learning history of nature, vast range of ecosystem, conservation wildlife, and natural and topography. Secondly, the location more convenient and the cost is also more affordable. Next, we can get the opportunity to see more nature than before. For example, we could explore more about nature and witness the beauty of nature with our own eyes. Thank you. How about you, candidate C?
Thank you, Candidate B. Hello, I'm Candidate C. Today I will talk about organize a camping trip to a forest reserve. Firstly, organize a camping trip to a forest will take a lot of people such as student and family. Camping in the forest is the most relaxing activities that can releasing stress and others. Next, the main activities is jungle trekking to explore the jungle and find the flora and fauna species. Next is learning about animal habitats that are deserved in jungle so that human can take over to reserve the forest. Thank you. How about you, candidates D?
Thank you, Candidate C. So the nature of society university is organizing a nature week. As member of the society, I choose recycling because university students must want to study in a comfortable environment, right? So I suggest we organize a recycling day. Indirectly, we will also know more about the environment. Plus, university graduates will also be more interested. Recycling sounds boring. It's dirty. but that might just be your first impression. Your university saves money by paying less for waste, going to landfill or incineration. Your university might even earn money by selling cardboard or plastic. Everybody at your university throws away garbage. Next, students and staff immediately see if recycling system is in place or not. If you want people to care about environmental issues, then improving recycling is a good way to avoid common complaints that your university doesn't do enough. Litter can spoil beautiful campus gardens, incineration contributes to climate change as well as people and trees protected from plastic. University recycling can help you to reduce your university's environmental impact. The resources that go into the goods, buildings, and gadgets that make your modern life so convenient are limited. Finding ways to use less materials inputs for products and to reuse materials is in a circular economy is necessary for long-term prosperity. That's all from me. Thank you. Thanks.
Now, now we will proceed to our next task, task B. I am Serena Saka, candidate A. I agree with my own opinion that organized a tree planting activity was the best activity for the weeks during National Society of University. This is because by plant by plant a, by plant a tree, example plants many type of tree such that can grow a fruit such as a rambutan tree, banana tree, mangosteen tree, mango tree, and so on. It's if the if the tree have grown fruits, student can pick it for free. Beside that, student will learn many many type of fruitful tree also during after plant the tree. How about you, candidates B?
Okay. Thank you, candidate A. I'm Stephanie Valerie. I agree with my own opinion, with my own point, which is the best activity for the week of nature week is to organize a trip to national park. The reason why I choose to organize a trip to national park is as a young generation, we can explore and learn more about the beauty of nature. For example, we can see the wild flora and fauna with our own eyes during the trip. Thank you. How about you, candidate C?
Okay, I'm agree with candidates A that planting tree is good. It also help recharge groundwater supply, prevent transport of chemical into stream, as well as prevent flooding. Its fruits provide while its fallen leaf also make a good compost and improve the quality of soil. Being with nature improve cognitive function, enhance memory and disciplines. That's all for me. How about you, candidates D?
Thank you. Everything. So, it because um, because a trip to national park gives you mood effectively you from the effects of stress. Can reduce stress. That's all from me. Thank you.
Conclusion, candidate D?
Okay, so do you guys have another opinion?
No, from me. How about you, candidate A?
I have no any other opinions. So maybe we can proceed to questions.
Okay.
How about you, candidates? C, do you have any opinions?
I don't think I have any opinions. No, I don't have any opinions.
Okay.
So the
So are we
conclusion.
going? Okay. So the conclusion is, um, everyone have on opinion. So
So the conclusion is, um, candidates B agree with candidate C and candidate D is agree candidate A. That's planting is good for people. So that's all from us. Thank you and goodbye.